Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by wiring a theme context so components can read and toggle mode. Create theme context and theme provider that holds state and toggle function, then set document element, dataset, theme to the current value. Once done, make sure your CSS targets data theme equals dark selectors. You do this now to centralize logic and avoid prop drilling. Also prepare user preference detection by reading prefers color scheme and local storage. That gives a smooth initial render without flash. Next, you implement the style layer using CSS variables, so switching is instant and performant. Define BG text, muted in, root, then override them inside data theme equals dark with dark values. In components, reference var, BG, and var text for consistency. Once done, add a short transition on background and color to soften change, but avoid heavy animated layout shifts. Make sure global resets and third-party components also read variables or receive wrappers, so they follow theme. Finally, wire a visible toggle that calls the context toggle function and writes the selection to local storage so the preference persists. If you use server-side rendering, inject the initial data theme into the HTML to prevent a flash when hydration runs. Once done, test across pages and devices. If the theme fails to apply, inspect CSS specificity, ensure no inline styles override variables, and clear caches. These steps quickly reveal mismatches between runtime state and applied styles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.